If you need a compact yet powerful all-in-one printer for home or small office use, the Canon PIXMA TR8620a is a solid option. It's built to handle documents, photos, and everyday printing needs with ease. The printer is truly multifunctional, offering printing, copying, scanning, and faxing. It also comes with a 20-sheet automatic document feeder, making it easier to handle multiple pages at once. When it comes to print quality, the TR8620a doesn't disappoint. With a 5-cartridge system and high resolution up to 4800 x 1200 dpi, it delivers sharp text and vibrant, detailed photos. Its printing speed is efficient, producing about 15 pages per minute in black and 10 pages per minute in color, which is more than enough for regular home and office tasks. Connectivity is another strong point. It supports Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, along with mobile printing via AirPrint, Mopria, and the Canon Print app. The 4.3-inch touchscreen makes controls simple and intuitive. The printer includes dual paper trays with front and rear feeding, allowing you to load both plain paper and photo paper without constantly switching. It also supports borderless photo printing. Smart home integration is built in, as the TR8620a works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control and automatic ink reorder notifications. While ink costs may be slightly higher and duplex scanning isn't automatic, the overall performance, features, and print quality make it a strong choice for mixed use. In conclusion, the Canon PIXMA TR8620a is an excellent all-rounder for those who want high-quality prints, smart connectivity, and versatile paper handling in a compact home office printer.